Hi, today we're going to solve another challenge problem from picoCTF 2019. It's called Warmed Up for 50 points. It's solved by over 36,000 other people, so it can't be too difficult. And it's in the category General Skills. And the question is, what is 0x3d base 16 in decimal base 10? And decimal base 10 is what we use every day. Base 16 is hexadecimal. This seems very identical to the challenge problem Let's Warm Up, which we just did a few days ago. And we remember that 0x is a way of telling us this is hexadecimal, and we're actually going to convert 3D to a number. And to do that, we're going to stick with rapid tables. If you Google convert hexadecimal to decimal, you will find different online converters. It really doesn't matter which one you use. I just happen to like rapid tables. And we're going to enter 3D here. 3D. And convert it. And we get 61 here as a decimal number. Now, just to mention it, depending on what you Google and what you click on, you might enter into rapid tables at different places. Last time, it told us we were not allowed to put in anything else but numbers. This time, it tells us differently. So we could actually just try here to put in 0x 3D, which it didn't allow us last time, and convert it, and we still get 61. And that's actually what we were after. For some reason, my microphone stopped working just as I was putting in the answer and submitting it, which means it's just solved a few seconds ago. What I did was I just wrote picoCTF beginning bracket and the number 61 ending bracket, and just so I mention it, hexadecimal I explained very detailed in picoCTF 2018, and also a little bit during the Let's Warm Up. So there's nothing really more to say about it other than Google it, because you actually do need to know what it's all about. The hints here just tells us actually that 61 is supposed to be placed in the brackets. And I'm going to submit it anyway and see what happens. It's solved. And that's it for now.